Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
You open the trunk. To replace the hood struts, it's easiest to use a right angle tool. You're going to want to hold the trunk lid or have a partner hold it for you, and then push in the retainer here, and then it will pull right out. We'll do the same on this side. Pull it.
I got this.
You got it. It pulls right out. To install this rear liftgate hood struts, you're gonna line it up at the ball and socket and push it right on. And same with this side. Push it right in. The passenger side is the same as the driver's.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.